I was about to give up. Seriously, I needed a laptop for AI, ML and data science work that could actually train models. But every laptop in India under 50,000 felt like a total scam. So here's the truth, market has completely changed. The laptop we all used to recommend to new data scientists, those cheap gaming laptops with dedicated graphic cards, they are all gone. They have been priced right out of under 50,000 bracket. In this video, I'm cutting through all the marketing BS to show you the specific laptops I found right now on Amazon India that actually work for machine learning and even for data scientists without destroying your bank account. With that strategy in mind, I've analyzed the current Amazon listing and found 5 specific models that actually have the specs to handle these kind of workload. First up, let's talk about the absolute budget king I found, which is the MSI Modern 14. This thing is listed at just 40,990 and frankly, the value is insane. You're getting a Ryzen 5 7430U processor and crucially 16GB of RAM. If you are a student on a strict budget and you want a laptop that won't freeze when you open Chrome tabs, this is actually the right one. It's light, foldable and it saves you 10,000 rupees, which you can spend on the courses or on the cloud subscription. And honestly, the more I talk to students about the laptops, I realize that the main problem isn't the hardware anymore. That's why I'm working on something with few of my friends. It's still in early stages, we are testing, breaking things, fixing things every week. So before launching it properly, I want a small group of students from this channel to try it and give their honest feedback. If that sounds interesting, I have linked a Google form in the description or in the pinned comment. You can fill it out and we will reach out to you. Alright, now let's move to the next laptop. Next we have the performance per rupee winner, the Acer Aspire Lite. This is my top pick for most of you because it hits the perfect sweet spot. It's priced at 46,990 and for that price, you're getting a Ryzen 7 7730U. That is an 8-core processor. In data science, having 8-core instead of 6 makes a real difference when you are consuming large datasets in pandas. It comes with the mandatory 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. Getting a 8-core CPU under 50,000, it's a steal. This machine will handle every code you will throw at it. If you prefer a more established brand and a balanced experience, look at the Asus Vivobook 15. It's priced at 48,990 and it comes with the Ryzen 7 5825U. Now don't get confused by the numbers. The 5825U is basically the same 8-core architecture as the 7730U in the Acer, just an older model name. You will still get the excellent 8-core multi-threaded performance and 16GB of RAM. Vivobooks generally have decent build quality, making it very safe and reliable choice for daily coding. Now if you can stretch your budget slightly over 50,000, I have 2 more premium options. So first is the Dell 15 laptop. It's priced at 51,990, so you might need to wait for bank offers. It features the same powerful Ryzen 7 7730U 8-core processor and 16GB of RAM as Acer. But the standout feature here is the 120Hz refresh rate display. While a high refresh rate won't help you run code faster, it makes you scrolling through thousands of lines of code or data frames feel incredibly smooth. If you value that user experience and Dell's support, this one is a very reliable and a good choice. The second stretch option is for the Intel fans, the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3, priced at 51,900. This one swaps the AMD chip for an Intel Core i5-12450H. Note that H at the end, that means it's a high performance series chip, not a power efficient U series. It has 8 cores and uses faster LPDDR5 RAM. It's a beast for raw speed. But be warned, Ryzen 8 series processors generally eat more battery life than a U series Ryzen processors. Buy this if you mostly work plugged in and you want that extra bit of burst performance. And I know if you're searching for the best laptop for AI ML under 50,000, you are most probably the beginner who is just getting started. When you're new to this field, everything feels confusing. Which laptop is enough? Do you really need a GPU? What should you even start learning once you buy it? I have been there. You spend hours finding the right machine, then even more time finding the right roadmap to kickstart your career. That's one of the reasons I created the ML in the Box ebook. It's a structured path, so once you have a laptop, you will actually know what to do with it. No random tutorials, no jumping from 20 different resources. The link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. So here's the final verdict. If you absolutely have no money to spare, get that MSI Modern 14. It's actually the really value for money deal. So if you want the best performance for your budget, grab that Acer Aspire Lite. That 8-core CPU for 47,000 is unbeatable. If you want the good build quality and that good keyboard, get the Vivobook. But if you want premium screens or high performance Intel chips, get the Dell or the Lenovo. Just remember, don't buy anything with 8GB of RAM and don't expect to train large language models. Use them to learn, code and master the basics. I will drop to the link to these specific models down in the description, so you can check the live prices. So that's it, stay sharp, make sure to subscribe the channel and I will see you in the next one.